Hello children, good morning. And in yesterday's class, I talked to you about those words that can be used as both as verb and as a noun. And we have done exercise number 1, exercise number A also, where we need to identify whether this in this sentence this highlighted word is used as a verb or as a noun. So up to here it was clear to everyone. And now what we need to do today, we are going to do this exercise number V. In this exercise, what we need to do, we need to make sentences with the same word, and in one sentence this word must be used as a noun, and in the next sentence the same word will be used as a verb. And I told you verbs are action words, so there must be an action when you are using it like a verb. For example, there is a sentence, so let's start with, there is a sentence light, there is a word light. Okay, we need to make the sentence by using this word light. So light is necessary for photosynthesis, we all know. So the light is necessary. The light is necessary for photosynthesis. So here the light is the light. It is not the action of burning anything. Okay, light means another meaning of the light when it is used as a verb. It means light when it is used as a verb. It means burning something. Okay. Like if I say when we use it like a verb, then we will say this, that I will light a fire to keep myself warm. Okay, or next you can make I will light a lamp when the electricity is not there. Okay, so in this way you need to make your own sentences for all these words given in this exercise number B. Okay, and the next word is benefit. So word benefit means benefit itself, and the verb benefit means then it will give benefit to someone, action of benefiting someone. Okay, for example, if you say the benefit of exercises is good health, so the benefit itself. And if I make it as a verb, and when I want to use it as a verb, like exercises benefit our health. Exercises benefit our health. So the exercises are doing the action of benefiting. Okay, so then it will be a verb. Like the next word, it is attack. Attack. And when you use it as a noun, like the attack on Indian army was very dangerous. So the attack itself was very dangerous. And when you use as a verb, attack means action of attacking. Like Indian army attacked Chinese soldiers. Indian army attacked terrorists. So attack, then it will become a verb. So I hope you can do this. You can make your own sentences, and then you post in our work group. Alright. Thank you. Bye. If you have any confusion, I will give you the doubt session also. Okay. Then there you can make it clear. Okay. Wonderful. Have a nice day. Bye.